Billie Eilish has teamed up with Nike in, I guess, an unexpected collab. Probably not, though. She's so marketable. Is that fair to say? She's got Apple has got commercials and Jesus Christ. Of course she's marketable. Holy, what am I doing? Yes.
A lot of check marks.
Couple of views, bit of success, couple of songs. And she's into sneakers, which I happen to know because I saw her on the sneaker show. What's the sneaker show called? Sneaker Shopping. Complex?
Yep.
Yeah, and she's like, I like those, and I like those, and she's about that style. She's about the neon green, and so that's what this team up is about with the Jordan brand. Here we have these neon green, which model is this? Air Jordan 1. Is that K0? Got the wrong guy for sneakers over here. Is it K0 or KO?
Yeah, we need Brad Hall.
He'll be on, don't worry. A monochromatic take, this upcoming collab is flooded with her signature neon green that once colored her hair and wardrobe. On the tongue is her blowish emblem in place of the standard Nike swoosh logo, while a co-branded Billie Eilish Jumpman insignia is placed on the insoles of the shoes. It's likely part of a larger Billie Eilish X Jordan collection that will surround the footwear release. The release date is 2021. I guess the exact drop is unknown. So far on Sneaker News, it doesn't have a tremendous rating. It is 2.5 out of a possible 5. Is what I guess the audience over there thinks about it. Will you be in line to cop and drop? Did you cop the drop? Excuse me, did you cop the drop?
With this collab?
That drop got copped.
I would. It looks really cool.
You're a liar. Stop lying on this show.
Stop
lying on this show in that microphone.
Well, I'm not going to, cop it.
Exactly.
I'm not waiting and refreshing the page to get it.
Well, that's what you're going to have to do.
Oh.
So you're not going to cop.
Wait for StockX or something.
You're either going to cop or drop.
What?
No, I'm using drop in the other way, like shop till you drop.
Oh, okay. I hear you.
But you see how that gets, because
I know, yeah.
You can cop the drop or you can drop the cop.
Yeah. I'll do the latter, I guess.
You don't know what you're going to do.
I don't know.
All of a sudden you come in with these tomorrow, you're like, yeah, she hit me up. Yeah. First pair.